Hi, I'm the sales representative of DBX. I have been working for almost 1 year now.
Why join DBX?
Why join DBX? Because they are a group of excellent and interesting partners here.
Do you know why they choose you to shoot this video?
Yes, I know because I'm the right person to shoot this video because I'm pretty.
Okay, let's be serious. So the fact is...
Okay, the fact is because DBX has gone through like 395 days. It is changing every day and growing every day. And not only can DBX can continue to attract the newcomers, but it also has many old employees who have worked for more than 10 years now. So why DBX can do this? I really want to explore and review why DBX can do this. So DBX must have some special charm. But I think it may take a long time to do this, so today let's begin with the basic to show you around our working environment. So let's begin our office tour. Let's go! Alright, we are on the floor of our DBX office. At the beginning of this year, DBX was redecorating the office of all departments. Now come and visit our new working environment. And from the first part, this is our hospitality room. And another is our pantry. Okay, come on this way. This is our corporate culture display wall. Our values and vision are written on. This is our guide, our work. And look at this one. This is our new e-cigarette project. The decoration is almost done. Okay, come on this way. This is our global customer service center. The salesmen are responsible for following up the inquiries from all over the world, helping customers on the orders and delivery and after-sales service. Oh, hi, can I interrupt you? I heard that you're the businessman in this office. Okay, he should be. And look, my colleagues are busy now, so the atmosphere is a little bit quiet, so I have to speak quietly. But afterward, they are completely different. After all, they have to be professional while working. Okay, let's continue the office tour. This is our personnel department. The colleagues in the personnel department are responsible for taking care of every employee of DBX. We cannot do without them in our daily life. Okay, now let's move to here. Here is the new operation department's office. And the colleagues of this department are responsible for branding and marketing, like analyzing the data and advertising and activity planning. For example, the emails and the videos we receive is all generated by this department. Okay, look, this is our meeting room, specially prepared for an event. Look who's inside. Look, they're preparing for a video conference for our SVIP. This is all Guangzhou Marketing Center's office tour today, but the supply chain headquarters in Shenzhen, we can only find another chance to visit. Looking forward to visiting the production, testing, packaging and delivery process of supply chain with you next time.